We've had some really successful projects with Geek. Some of them have seen our customers' sites revolutionised.
Thankfully, on some of the projects, we're now out to 7 years, and they're still working incredibly well.
It gives us the confidence to know that as a team, we can all deliver.
Work together.
We get closer vision of the things that are happening down the pipeline. We create a more holistic product that solves the challenges within the market.
The future of warehouses keeps moving. Be part of it with Geek+.